60 miles per hour on a narrow
blind spot area. Okay, now we're getting into town with pedestrians and traffic. Side of the vehicle, brake, good swerve because you couldn't stop in time. Good job, amazing. We're gonna just go real quick briefly on that. All right, let's go back a little bit. That was amazing. So here's the thing, I'm trying to explain some of the things that I kind of go through, and I'm going to get back into doing some ride along with Dan and the Fireman on motorcycle training concepts. We have some amazing ideas for that channel too, by the way. We're going to get started real soon. We're just really finalizing a lot of things. The main thing here is that with the ride alongs, I vocalize what it is I'm seeing and what it is I'm doing while riding. So right here, I'm trying to influence you guys in the terms of, hey, we're getting closer to some buildings. Okay, with buildings there's people, right? Nobody just, that's what buildings are for. They're supposed to house people and stuff. So we're going from an area of farm fields where it's kind of good vision, with nobody's really out and about, and then all of a sudden we're getting into buildings where there's people. There's people, especially with the road, there's going to be cars. Especially with the road and cars, there's parking lots, people are walking, pedestrians. So you have a multitude of things. That's how I do things in my brain. So right here, I'm in yellow stage, but I'm just about to get into orange stage because I'm getting closer and closer and closer to the buildings, especially with this intersection right here. This is also a blind turn right here. So I don't know what's around it. There could be a pedestrian going across the street. We don't know. So I'm kind of rolling off the throttle. It shows that he's going about 50. I'd probably go, I'd maintain the 50, maybe go to 45. And the reason why I'm going down to 45 is because I rolled off the throttle and I'm just kind of coasting with the good engine speed, and then maybe getting ready for that front brake. So we're gonna get closer and closer. I see the headlights, okay? It's a common thing in a common situation. They're in their path, My only concern is they're gonna turn in front of me. I don't see that as an issue right now. We're gonna keep moving forward right here. Motorcycles, be quiet. So now I see this right here, side of the vehicle. This is that pattern I'm always telling you guys about. So as soon as you see this, thankfully, back there, we rolled off the throttle and went 45, and we're covering that brake, right? Orange stage. Be ready and prep for it. As soon as you see this, okay, what are we going to do? If he pulls out right now, what are we going to do? Can we stop? Probably not. Maybe not at this speed. So this is the one thing I really like what North Yorkshire biker did. So here's the moment he starts braking, realizing, oh man, I can't freaking stop in time. I really can't. What can I do? What are my escape paths? Well, if I swerve right now, I'm going to hit this vehicle. So I'm going to have to get up here at least and swerve right. Now, this vehicle is obviously going this way, so this gap right here is going to increase. But the main thing here is I can't swerve right now. It looks like he's trying to. Now, this person is obviously going to go into this lane, right? Because that's kind of the point, or their nose is pointed this way. So it's going to take them a while to get out of our path of travel. We're going to hit them if we don't do something. So I really like the fact that he saw this, and all he did was move into the other lane. Because, guys, think about it. Driver behavior. What are they trying to do? Is this driver trying to go from here to here and go that way in this lane? Or is he trying to get in this lane? So this is when you can really understand what they're trying to do. If they try to do this, they want to stay in this lane. So that means this lane is open over here to the right. Take it. Take it, take it, take it. Be purposeful in your movements. You have to. This is a red stage maneuver. He did a great job with his red stage. Action time, okay? Actively engaged in emergency response. Did a great job. But right here, scary, scary, scary. Did a great job here. I just wanted to show it. Let's watch it one more time, and then we're gonna move on.
Drives onto the road and doesn't bother looking.
Great job. Great job. Now get back into your lane because you got cars coming. Good job. That is a good swerve. That is something that you should strive for if you're ever in an emergency situation. I hope you're never in one though, okay?